Hindi lang siya planting coffee, farming coffee to make money, but also caring for the biodiversity and the environment. In the next few years, there's a surge in demand ng Liberica coffee. That's why I can see the potential in Liberica in terms of profit margin. They still using the same size of land and same number of trees, but the difference in terms of prices, yun yung hinahabol ko din. Kasi wala nang pag-asa lumawak pa yung lupa. Ang pag-asa na lang kung paano mag-innovate na makakaroon ng change ng income using the same size of farm. One tree of Liberica, this can give me almost one sack of fruits. That's 30 to 40 kilograms, weighing more than the Robusta. Right now, I started to convert this farm. A single tree of coffee, this has a capacity to absorb up to 20 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year. In 1 hectare, if I have 1,000 coffee trees and I have 300 shade trees, the capacity to absorb in 1 hectare is up to 80 tons of carbon dioxide per year and convert into oxygen. Hopefully, we can have more support pa from the other coffee community, yung mga processor, yung mga coffee drinkers. Yung support system ng community, hindi lang siya sa farming, lahat ng mga value chain coffee players na magkakaroon ng support system. Sabi ko, ano pa natin to, palawakin pa natin to. Nakikita ko na mapuprogreso pa to, lalawak pa itong mga coffee. Dadami pa mga farmer na talagang mag-venture into coffee.